Aloha everybody, I'm at my buddy Chris's property, his homestead, and we're going to check out some breadfruit. Ulu in Hawaiian. The word for breadfruit in Hawaiian is ulu, but you know, you can call it breadfruit. And you have how many varieties?
About 5 or 6.
5 or 6 varieties, and we're going to check out 3 varieties right now. And yeah, let's do it. Here's a sample of the 3 leaves. Which is this one?
The Tahitian.
This is the Tahitian. This is
Moho prickly.
Moho prickly. And this is the Special 19.
Yes.
Okay, so there's the leaves, all 3 leaves. The Moho prickly and the Special 19 look very similar. And the Tahitian, it's very different. It's interesting. This is how you tell if it's ready to pick, is when the sections kind of separate and it changes color.
Yeah.
Now this could have been left on the tree maybe another day or 2.
Yes,
and
I believe so.
But it's fine to pick it. Breadfruit is
Yeah.
eaten in all stages of the fruit, and it's not dripping the latex as much.
Yeah.
And when you cut it, the latex is going to become an issue.
Right. And
But
for this variety of tree, it's about full size.
yeah, this is a pretty good sized one. And what is the name of this particular variety?
He just called it Tahitian, but
Tahitian.
we're working with the Breadfruit Institute to find the origins of these 3 trees.
Okay, so this is the Tahitian.
The problem with the best of 19 is they ripen almost all in the same 2 weeks or so.
Oh.
And it takes me 4 days to eat a half of one.
Yeah, right? They're very filling. If you haven't had breadfruit before, the name kind of is very fitting. It's
Yes.
it's very bread-like. But it's a fruit, and it's filling, extremely filling, and you can boil it, you can roast it, you can chop it up and fry it, and do all sorts of stuff with it.
And 2 years ago, these were in really sad shape. See this branch laying down here?
Mm-hmm.
It got burned at the base.
Yeah, from the lava disaster.
Right. And the trees are back in production this fast.
Yeah, they're really healthy.
They didn't have half this many leaves on them at that time. You could see through them. They were so close to extinction.
And did they get any burn damage? I didn't see a whole lot.
Oh, right over here.
Okay. Oh, I see it right here. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You see that's from this side.
Yeah, that's some burn damage right there from the lava.
Yeah. You see the burn scar really well.
Yeah, I see that.
And you see it has a standard jackfruit leaf, but this tree is the culmination of getting a Champadec flavor to some degree and getting it faster, because Champadecs require a long time, 5 to 7 years before they fruit.
And this is related to the breadfruit.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. Breadfruit, jackfruit, Champadecs are all in the same genus.
Okay, and this
Artocarps.
This looks like it will be ready next month, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is another fruit coming out, and this is a very young fruit. This is a young fruit. This one will probably get maybe twice as big.
Oh, nice. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay, I think I have enough coals. Let's put the breadfruit in there. Rotate it. Make sure it's evenly cooked. And just take coals from here, put them over there. We'll get her done. I'm using strawberry guava wood, so it doesn't create the best coals. But that's what I got, so that's what I'm using. You know strawberry guava, it's a fruiting tree. And the wood does burn, but it burns quick. It's not a hard wood. So we want this all black all the way around. All crispy and black. It's almost done. Say probably another 10 minutes or so. It's looking good. I think it's ready. Yeah, looks ready. Now you can stab holes in it as it cooks to help it cook quicker. And let's get this on the cutting board. Open her up. There we go. Ooh. Maybe let it cool down for a little bit. It's probably hot. It's probably really hot. You want it black, all around, just black and crispy. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, perfectly cooked. Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, let's try this out. Here, you know what? I can just peel it right off. Look at that. Look at this. Comes right off. Oh, look at that. Now my hands are all black from the fire, but see, it's kind of got like a bread texture when it's cooked, right? Kind of. And perfect. Perfectly cooked. It's kind of, it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, right? But it's definitely hearty and bread-like. There's a reason why they call it breadfruit. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Ooh, ooh, so good. Yeah. It's a little messy. Now you can fry this, you can boil it, just as long as the sap is like a latex sap. You don't want any of that. You don't want to eat any of that. So you want to cook it to where all the sap is completely gone. I did make a video a couple years ago, and I didn't cook it all the way. It was done enough, but some people, you know, from Jamaica or, you know, other places commented that it wasn't quite done. But this is 100% done. This is perfect. Oh, it's so good. So you can cook it in different ways. You can fry it and put seasoning on it, but it's just good like this. Just plain breadfruit. You don't really need any seasoning. Maybe a little bit of salt, maybe some garlic, and that'd be fine. Yeah, so I'll link to that other video. So good. This is amazing. And again, I want to thank Chris for giving me this breadfruit and showing me his property and explaining a little bit of, you know, about breadfruit. And this is amazing. I mean, it's so filling and it's so good. I love breadfruit. It's so good. I have a couple breadfruit trees on my property, and next year or the year after is when they're going to start really producing a lot of breadfruit. So I'm really excited. I'll be doing these campfires a lot more if I've got breadfruit to cook, right? Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up right there. Delicious breadfruit. A little messy, but you know, I'm cooking on the campfire. I'm having fun in the jungle. You know, it was a little smoky, and the guava wood worked great. You know, you know, like I was saying, it's not a hardwood, so it doesn't create the best coals, but it works fine. It's great. That's what I had. And there you go. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. I want to thank you all for watching. This is amazing. You guys are the best of all time. You guys, yeah, you're the best. Now until next time, hooey ho! Please like, comment, subscribe. Aloha.